Me shot him a box. No, me shot him 2 ears, as you see. I cannot stress this enough. Jamaican people, we love to exaggerate. Everything we exaggerate about. It could be just a little bit, some water spill on the floor, and it's just a tiny drop of water. We're like, look how much water you drop on the ground. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your girl Nayoka. Today is gonna be a little bit different. Judging by the title, you already know what's popping. All right, so today I'm just gonna share with you guys a few slangs and words that Jamaican people use. Most of these slangs are slangs that I use on a daily basis, on a regular. So I'm just sharing with you a couple of them. I wrote them down because there are so many. So I wrote down a few so I could just share those with you. And also the main reason why I did this video is because I have a lot of friends that are not Jamaicans, and they always say, oh, I love your accent, and I would love to know what this word means, or what does that word mean in Jamaican language or Patwa, and can you teach me how to speak Patwa? I always get that. So this is for people that always want to know how to speak Jamaican. They always say speak Jamaican, but it's really Patwa. That's what we speak in Jamaica. Well, our original official language is English, but we speak Patwa. All right. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into the video. This was really hard to choose because there are so many slangs I use every day, and I just decided to choose, you know, the interesting ones. So the first one on the list is cha-cha boy. So the word cha-cha boy, or the slang cha-cha boy, it would mean like and guys, I'm trying my best to I'm gonna try my best to translate this in English for you guys so you can know what I'm talking about. So bear with me, all right? Bear with me. All right, so cha-cha boy, it basically means like a guy, a male that puts himself together well, very well dressed, smells good. As soon as a girl see him, she's like, oh, cha-cha boy, that boy looks so good. Yeah, that's basically what cha-cha boy mean. Always nice and looks well good and all that. Yeah, cha-cha boy. So the next slang on the list would be trouble dede. When somebody say trouble dede, it means like there is problem, or because they might say it in two different ways. Like it could be trouble dede, like trouble dede, no? It's just a slang like how do I explain this? Oh my gosh. All right, so trouble dede would be like you're in trouble, or you're always causing trouble or something like that. But it doesn't always mean like bad trouble. It could be like good trouble, if you know what I mean. So they're like, oh, trouble dede man, trouble dede, something like that. All right, then number 3, the third so the other slang, the other one that I want to share is the rain a tear. When somebody says, when a Jamaican say to you like, the rain a tear, you know, me go hurry up and run go home because the rain a go tear, or the rain a tear. So for example, like when we say the rain a tear, it would mean like the rain is falling so hard. And now that I'm thinking about it, I don't see how the rain a tear and the rain is falling so hard really much, you know? It's so weird. But yeah, that's what it means when somebody say the rain a tear, you know, man. It means like the rain is falling so hard. The other one is me broke like buckle. Me broke like buckle. When somebody say me broke like buckle, it means like they're so broke that they don't even have no money at all, but they like to exaggerate. So even if they're not really broke, but they like to exaggerate. So when they exaggerate, it's like, when we exaggerate, it's like me broke like buckling a dog. They like to say it like All right. So they like to, we Jamaican, we love to exaggerate. So sometimes we're like, broke like buckling a dog. Even when we're not broke, we always say that. And then we do like this facial expression like, yo dog, me broke like buckling a man. Oh my God. So broke like buckle basically means I'm so broke, I don't have no money. That's it. Also there's another one, my blood a boil. Me say, yo, my blood a boil for the girl, you see, man. Oh my gosh, my blood a boil for the girl, you see. Anytime you hear a Jamaican say my blood a boil up in a man, me say, actually you never know my blood a boil, me the one box the girl in her face, you know, man. That basically means my blood is, when we say my blood a boil, it's like I was so angry, or I was so aggravated. It basically means like that. So my blood a boil up. So when we say we blood a boil up, when we say we blood a boil up, it means like we're very angry. We're very angry. Yeah. And most of the time when we say we blood a boil, is like when you're angry but you can't really do anything about it. So you're like, my blood a boil for the girl in a man, but I show me know so me can't do nothing, you know. Yeah, something like that. And also, no romp with me, no romp with me. Okay, when me say no romp with me, it basically means like don't play with me. I don't play that way. Please don't do that. Yeah, that's basically what it means. But you can mean it in a good and a bad way. Not really bad, but in a angry way or a happy way. That's what I should say. When you're happy, you're like, oh, no ramp with me, no. Like somebody's trying to prank you or something like that. You'd be like, oh, no ramp with me, no. But it's like a fun way, like don't play with me. But you're not angry. But when you're angry, you're like, yo, no ramp with me, no girl, me lick you in your face, you know. You don't know me, no. You don't know me, no. Oh. That means like don't play with me. Don't play with me. I don't play that way. Okay? But it's like when I say it in English, I don't feel like I'm serious enough. So I have to say, hey girl, no ramp with me, no, me lick you in your face, you know. You don't know me, no. Oh. that feels more like, yeah, I mean business. Yeah. Alright, so moving along. So the other one I'm gonna say is waguan. Like waguan is like, most people know waguan. If you have one Jamaican friend, or if you know people from Jamaica, everybody knows waguan, because waguan is like the most thing people would, the most frequent or the most known slang. Yeah, okay, most people know waguan. Waguan basically means what's going on, what's up, how are you. And in Jamaica we would be like, wagwan, where you depan. That would still mean like, what's up, how are you, or what's going on. That's like our greeting, our main greeting that we use. Like if I see my sister, I'll be like, hey sis, wagwan, you good? Yeah, something like that. So it basically mean, hey, what's up, how are you? Yeah, that's it. This one, my sister always say this to me. Shanavia always say this to me. She's like, you dash me way. It's just like she doesn't mean no harm by saying that, but when she say like, you dash me way, one, you dash me way, man. Normally when Jamaican people say you dash me way, it doesn't really mean bad things. It's like, you dash me way. It's mainly like, so for instance, I just got a new job, or I got a promotion, or I got something good is going for me, right? Or I won the lotto, and I will be like, one of my friends or somebody would be like, you dash me way, you win lotto now, you dash me way, or you dash me way, you got foreign, you dash me way now, you got foreign now, you know, remember about me. So you dash me way would basically mean like, you forgot about me, you haven't called, why haven't you called me, you don't remember about me. So it's basically that, you dash me away. The other one, me a forward in a dog. One thing about Jamaican, I have to say this, Jamaican people, most of them are always late. So it's like you call them, and this is how the conversation will go, something like this. Hey, what's up? I'm down. I'm outside. I'm at your house waiting for you. They're just getting ready, and they're like, me a forward, man. Me a forward. Give me 30 seconds. Me a forward. Me a forward. But really, they're not even ready yet. So yeah, when we say me a forward, man, me a forward, it basically means I'm coming. I'm on my way. I'll be there. The other one is bill. Me say for bill. When somebody say bill, it may most of the time when people say that is when the other person is angry. So for instance, my friend, me and my friend, we're here, and she's angry over something, or she's about to fight with somebody, and I'm like, bill, just bill, okay, just bill. You know that if you do that, you know the consequences after that, so just bill yourself. All right, so bill basically means calm down, calm down, calm down, please calm down. So yeah, so when your friend tell you like bill yourself, you know, or even if I'm about to get into a fight, which I'm not getting into no fight because I'm an angel. So if I'm about to get, hypothetically speaking, if I'm about to get into a fight and then I'm trying to talk tough to the other person, I'm like, yo, bill yourself, you know, because you don't know who you deal with, you know. You don't know me, you know. You don't know where I come from, you know. A Spanish town I come from, you know. Bill, you know. Bill. All the way I go on, you know. You just know for bill, you know. Because you don't know where me come from, you know. Oh. So it's basically like telling the person, hey, calm down. You don't know what's gonna happen to you. You don't know me. You don't know me. Bill yourself. This is so funny. All right. Let me see. I think I completed everything. Wow. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. How could I forget this one? So this one is a very serious one. So this one is a little bit tricky. All right. So this one is, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Anytime a Jamaican person say to you, do your thing, man, just know that anything that you said to them that you were gonna do, don't do it. Don't do it. So it's another form of saying, do whatever you want to do. I mean, it's your life. You can do whatever you want to do. So when, but normally when we say do your thing, man, it's like, don't do it. But we don't want to say don't do it, but we want to like leave it on your conscience to say, do your thing, man. You're alive, man. Do your thing. Anything you want, do you do. Especially like in a, if you're in a relationship and the boyfriend would say, or the husband would say, oh baby, I'm gonna do this or I'm gonna do that, but the wife, she's not really happy with the decision that he made. She would be like, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Anything you want, do you do. Do your thing. Do your thing. I like you. Do your thing, man. Anything you want to do, you do. Your life, I feel your business. Do whatever you want. So guys, if your girlfriend say that to you or your wife says that to you, please don't do it. Don't do it. Follow my advice. Don't do it. All right. And this other one, Jamaican people, like 99.9%, 99.9999999% of Jamaican people say this. Like that's a word on its own. Like how we would use is if it could be something good, something bad we are responding to. So for instance, somebody would say, oh, you know, I just got a new job, and you're like, that good, man, that good. Or somebody would say, oh my gosh, I lost my job today. They're like, you must know what you do to lose your job. So oh my gosh, I don't even know how is spell, but guys, I'm gonna try my best to spell these words. Like some of these words are not spellable, but I will try my best to spell them. But yeah, go try your best to spell them, no? So the last one now, last but not least, and I saved the best for last. I saved the best for last. So this one is, me shot him a box. No, me shot him 2 ears, as you see. I cannot stress this enough. Jamaican people, we love to exaggerate. Everything we exaggerate about. It could be just a little bit, some water spill on the floor, and it's just a tiny drop of water. We're like, look how much water you drop on the ground. Shut him 2 ears as mean like, you slap the person in their face, like box them in their face, and yeah, shut him 2 ears as. But when we say 2 ears as, it means like the slap was so hard that when it connect, you felt it in your ears, like it slapped you so hard till it hit your ears. You're like, those are some solid ears as. So so when they're telling the story, like if somebody went into a fight and then say I witnessed the fight, and then I'm gonna tell my friend, I would exaggerate so much. I would be like, yo, Mr. the man shot him 2 ears as, you know. Mr. when him turn around and drop a ground, he could even get up back a dead in dead. Something like that, I would say. So yeah guys, that's basically it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you would like to see more videos like these, I would gladly make some more videos. So let me know if you want to see part 2, or if you want to see more videos like this. I would definitely grant that for you. And guys, thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that subscription button. I have a lot of videos to come. I already have a lot of videos. Remember, hit that notification bell so you are the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed, stay blessed, stay blessed. Have a good day, and bye. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.